and you can create your own project. Okay, this how query when this field loves to model and where it can cover and why we need hide automated document embedding procedure, why we need this. If last week we solve our problem, that's the problem. Going out the document, struggle long content square solution, and the struggle how it works step by step. And then we go the deep dive of this problem, filling the statement gap. And the problem is solved. Okay, let's try this portion in there. Then we go into. Okay, this is production level rack 5. There is a 6 self rack, Agentic rack, multi media rack. This is one of the important rack. I hope you come here and try to understand all. I just share with you all research and self-learning because purpose. You can start. Okay, I'm not gonna take this big long. That's the reason I got here. But you can and start learning.